Hey there, welcome to this week's episode of In the Shop with Scott. I finished up a couple projects. It was a slow week, had a lot of other things going on, so it's a little shorter than usual, but hope you enjoy.
I worked on wrapping up the mirror makeover project. First, I had to get the mirror back into the frame. There's a little bit of glue in the way, and then nailing back in the spline that was holding it in place. I've had quite a few questions on how I like the Makita cordless nailer. For me, it's worked pretty well. There is occasional misfires, but all in all, to not have to deal with the compressor, hose, and noise, it definitely saves some time and effort. The other project I worked on this week was carving a wooden bird using a kit from Beaver Craft. You can see the full video on the channel, and I'll link that below. But first time trying this, it went pretty well, and was a fun little project. What I liked about this kit is it included everything you needed. There was nothing extra. The blocks of wood, tape to protect your finger, the knife, sandpaper, and beeswax to finish it off, along with the instructions and template.